If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can create discount items in the item list to discount the line item that was entered immediately above the discount line item within a sales form. If you create a discount and use it in an invoice, it applies the discount to the line item amount directly above it, but not to any other line items previously entered. Therefore, this item is often used in conjunction with the subtotal item in sales forms. For example, you can place the subtotal item underneath a list of line items within an invoice to get a subtotal amount, and then place the discount item under the subtotal item to remove the amount or percentage specified by the discount item from the subtotal. To create a discount item, open the item list and then click the item button in the lower left corner of the list window. Select the New command from the pop-up menu to open a new item window. In the new item window, select Discount from the Type drop-down. Enter a name for the discount into the item name/number field. If the discount is a sub-item of another discount item you have created, then check the Sub-Item of checkbox and select its main discount item from the adjacent drop-down menu. Next, enter a description of the discount to display in sales forms into the Description field. Enter either the percentage or amount of the discount into the Amount or Percent field. You must include the percent symbol if the number you want to enter is a percentage discount. Otherwise, QuickBooks assumes the number entered is a dollar amount. Select the account used to track discount amounts from the Account drop-down. Finally, use the Tax Code drop-down to set whether the discount is taken before or after sales tax is calculated. Select Tax to apply the discount before sales tax is calculated, or select None to apply the discount after sales tax has been calculated. After creating the discount item, click the OK button to save the item into the item list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.